Kumasi Fashion Week captures the spirit of Kumasi. Okay, Kumasi is a cultural hub, and people need to see how the culture of Kumasi has been incorporated into modern designs. Hence our slogan, Cosmopolitan Meets Culture. When a designer starts blooming in Kumasi, the market is not readily available. So a designer will just up and leave, go to Accra or go to one of these flamboyant cities in Africa. First, we started with a fashion seminar, which was held at the Africa Hall, where young designers, such as those who are on the Viva New Generation Designs, to come and learn how to build collections, how to brand their products or the artifacts that they produce, how to even utilize social media. Our audience come in and they see products or they see things that they could actually rock to work, they could take to church. If the audience coming into Kumasi Fashion Week are going to be spoiled for choice.